Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project Rustom G 180 Bayview by Rustom G located in Matunga West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the construction has started. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Both the roads left and right will lead you to the main road. In this video, we will be discussing what points like overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acre that will have one tower of 4 basements, ground plus 37 residential floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Marg, Matunga West, Mumbai, from where you have Matunga railway station at a distance of 450 meters, Hinduja Hospital is at a distance of 950 meters, and Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 2.3 kilometers from the project. And speaking of amenities, this project has 35 plus luxurious amenities that will include a fitness center, infinity pool, kids play area, lawn and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 824 to 840 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1221 to 1407 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1646 to 1898 square feet. And now, speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Rustom G 180 Bayview by Rustom G located in Matunga West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.